everybody. I'm here with Mike from Anova. Great to be here with you today.
Nice to be here.
All right, I'm just going to ask you a couple of quick questions. So we see that Anova continues to win many awards within the industry. How do you continue to innovate and stay on top of trends?
Being the oldest telemetry company in the U.S., we have a long history of having innovative people in our engineering and software departments that are constantly looking at ways to streamline the way that we can get our data into your systems. So we're so fortunate to have those people working in the background, as well as getting suggestions from our current customers as to how we can improve. So we're constantly working to make those improvements to make their lives easier.
That's great. And what is something a distributor might not know about Anova?
I think what they don't know is that we've had one unit that's been the industry standard for a long time, but we now have many more more competitively priced systems that do the exact same thing as the older unit. So this constant innovation that I talked about is paying, dividends to us now, because we have so much of a more cost-effective solution that we can offer our current customers as well as new customers.
That's wonderful, very beneficial. And lastly, are there any features that your products offer that are different from your competitors?
Our system is completely different from our competitors in that it is a computer that is mounted on a tank. We can communicate with it, it can communicate with us, we can make changes via our software. None of our competitors have that feature in their systems. That's why they are lower cost, and we are a little bit more cost effective. But ours is a computer mounted on an asset that can communicate back and forth.
Wow, the best of the best.
The best of the best.
Well, thank you so much, Mike. I appreciate the time today.
Thank you so much.